Hello mga ka-vlogger! Vlogger na ba ang lahat? So for today, nakita ko yung sa TikTok, yung mga parang nag-keratin treatment sila, tapos naiging straight yung hair, o kaya, hindi naman straight, pero parang nawawala yung mga tayo-tayo. Medyo maganda tingnan yung buhok ko today, pero usually, wavy talaga yan. So, let's see. We're gonna use this. So I already washed my hair twice, and then I open this. You need to wear gloves. You need to divide your hair into 3 sections. Ang gagawin ko yung easy method, yung wala tayong salon brush, as in gagananin ko lang. In fairness, wala siyang amoy, and it's like it has a bluish tint. So, kung colored yung hair mo, medyo blonde, hindi maapektuhan. Mas gaganda pa nga siguro. Be right back! So, ganyan na ang itsura. So far, so good. Walang hapde, walang amoy, as in. Ganyan. So, let's wait for 90 minutes. Tapos ka-vlogger, dinivide ko into 2. Tapos nilagyan ng hair clips. And then, this, ang tawag dito? This one. Tapos, after, yan, after 90, may itsura. Makita niyo ba? So, gi-rinse na nako. I rinse it after the treatment, rinse it before the treatment, rinse it. Now, I need to iron it. Bantay lang, dili ni effective, ha? Dapat effective to 3 beses ako maliligo, nagigigil na ako, ha? Tipid pa more. Oh, ito na siya after blow drying. In fairness, parang straight na. 150. Naku. Hanggang 205 lang. Dapat ano yun? 3. 410. Uy! Ka-vlogger. Ito yung matapos ko ng planchahin. In fairness, it's very shiny. Naku po. Mukha na po tayong nakariband. Ito yung kabila. Oh. Diba? Oh. Before and after. Hala, sino ka ka-vlogger? So, natapos ko na planchahin lahat. Palalamagin daw yung buhok. Tapos, kailangan ulit i-wash. So, kinakabahan ako dyan. Baka pag-wash, hindi na siya maging ganito ka-straight. So, hello ka-vloggers! Ito na pala yung finished product. Ginugaw ko ulit. Tinignan ko ulit sa Amazon kung yung instructions ba talaga ay i-rinse again after plancha. Tapos nakita ko dun sa video, hindi naman nila ni-rinse. Enjoy your hair daw. So, that's it. That's the finished product. So straight, so soft. No hurt feelings, no smell. It's so perfect. Inverto nga pala yung brand. Inverto Keratin Treatment sa Amazon, Canada. But I believe madaming brands sa Philippines na makikita sa Lazada, sa Shopee. Char. Okay, bye!